Today, let's explore diffusion. In today's video, we will explore what diffusion is, how it works, how it applies to cell membranes, and finally, the different factors that affect its rate. Diffusion is the net movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. This just means the movement of particles from an area where there are lots of them to an area where there are fewer of them. Diffusion is a passive process. This means that it does not require energy. Diffusion happens both in liquids and gases. This is because the particles in these substances are free to move about randomly. One simple example will be when the smell of perfume diffuses into the room. You can smell the perfume where you have sprayed it, because particles are very concentrated. As time passes, diffusion happens, and particles spread around the room, so you stop smelling the perfume. Now, let's talk about diffusion inside cells. Diffusion is possible in cells due to the cell membrane. This is the wall that separates the interior of the cell with the outside. It also controls what goes in and out of the cell. Only very small molecules can diffuse through the cell membrane, things like glucose, amino acids, water, and oxygen. Bigger molecules cannot fit through it. For this example, think of the middle line as of the cell membrane. Particles are moving randomly so they can go both in and out of the cell. However, if there is a higher concentration on one side of the membrane, this means inside or outside, there will be a net overall movement to the side where there is a lower concentration. Now, I want you all to try some questions to test your understanding about the video. Please feel free to pause the video and try them by yourself before we go through the answers. Define the term diffusion. Net movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Describe the effect that diffusion will have on the oxygen concentration inside the cell. Diffusion will cause the oxygen concentration inside the cell to decrease. Give a day-to-day example where diffusion happens. Perfume. Example of substances that can diffuse into and out of a cell. Glucose, water, oxygen, amino acids. That's everything for this video. I hope that was helpful to you. If you want to learn more about GCSE sciences, click on our channel and you will find more helpful videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.